Psychogenic erectile dysfunction is common in young men and strongly associated with performance anxiety. Although cognitive behavioral therapy is effective, performance overlaps often persist. Systematic desensitization is based on progressive exposure to reduce anxiety and restore confidence, while design a structured exposure protocol using a graduate obstruction rate system as a behavioral tool. The objective of this study was to evaluate the clinical efficacy and treatment satisfaction outcomes of this structured non-pharmacological desensitization program in men with psychogenic erectile dysfunction. This was a prospective pre-post study. 16 men aged 23 to 56 years meet the same 5 criteria for psychogenic erectile dysfunction. No one had received prior ED treatment. The intervention lasted 12 weeks. The outcome was International Index Erectile Function 5 and EDITS partner outcome. This slide shows the structure of the systematic desensitization protocol. The key element is gradual reduction in ring compression. We start with the highest compression level, intense, then progress to firm, then to light, and finally to no ring. The idea is not mechanical support alone. It is a progressive exposure. At the beginning, the right provide greater security and reduce fear or loss of erection. As confidence increases, compression is gradually reduced. This creates a step-by-step plan to reduce performance anxiety. This phase is repeated quickly within the 12-week period. At the same time, psychogenic education is provided to reinforce cognitive control and reduce anticipatory anxiety. So the device is not the treatment itself. It is a tool within a behavioral desensitization framework. You can see the result. Baseline IIF-5 main score was 11.6, indicating moderate to severe dysfunction. After 12 weeks, mean was 21.2, indicating near normal erectile function. All chain were statistical significant. Also, treatment satisfaction was high. Mean EDIS score was 90.4%, and partner satisfaction was 86.7%. Participants reported reduced anticipatory anxiety, greater confidence, and recovery of spontaneous erection. In conclusion, the structured use of a graduate obstruction rate system within a systematic desensitization framework produced a statistically and clinically significant improvement. The intervention is simple, replicable, and non-pharmacological. It may be practically useful for patients who prefer to avoid medication or who cannot engage in couple therapy. That control at study. Thank you.